Timpte's Thunderstone Manufacturing Division here in Lincoln. Manufactures accessories for our bulk commodity trailers. So we manufacture tarps, covering systems for the trailer, powered arm kits, powered traps for the bottom of the trailer, and a lot of other accessories. So Timpte's had a presence in Nebraska in our David City location since 1980. 2012, the company saw a need for a better responsiveness for some of the trailer accessories, specifically tarps. So they decided to open the Thunderstone manufacturing facility here in Lincoln. And since this facility has grown double digits year over, our Lincoln Manufacturing Center will be the next step in the growth process for both our Lincoln facility and for Timpte overall. This new building will give us the opportunity to provide more jobs for people we know in our community. It'll give our people internally a chance to grow. Commitment to our customers is what really has attributed to our growth, and really what's given us the opportunity to provide a newer, larger opportunity for both our people and for the community here in Lincoln. There's a selflessness to our culture, our commitment and accountability to each other to deliver results ultimately for our customer. Our goal from our CEO down is to be one of the best places to work in Nebraska and in Lincoln, and provide the best working environment for anybody who's a part of our team here. You're home away from home, if you will. And our people really appreciate that and really respond to that. We want to say thanks to the Chamber for this award. We take as much pride as we do in our product as being a part of the community here in Lincoln and the Midwest overall, and we're honored to receive the award.